Hi, my name is Keerthi. I joined Fortray Global Services for their IT support program, which was a combination of hands-on experience and theoretical learning. I enrolled in the program to gain industry relevant skills and certifications. The course covered a wide range of IT support topics that gave me a strong foundation in the field. The hands-on experience was invaluable as I was able to apply what I learned in real-world scenarios, gave me the confidence. I also received amazing support throughout the certification process where I was able to clear all my examinations. A big shout out to my mentor, Abdullah Bhatt, who guided me through the entire job application process, kept me motivated, and always took the time to clear my doubts I had. The team at Fortray also assisted me with my CV and LinkedIn profile, making sure that I stood out to the employees. They prepared me throughout for interviews, which helped me feel ready and confident for my real interviews with companies. I feel ready to start my career in IT support. Their guidance, mentorship, and support made a huge difference. I highly recommend their program to anyone looking to advance their career in IT. Thank you, Forte, for everything you have done for me. I am grateful for the opportunity and encourage anyone interested in IT to give it a try.